really, really is. It really is.
On top of the fact that I think that people that took out these loans, they didn't think about the long game, right? So what happens when you file your taxes and your taxes don't align with what you filled out in this paperwork? So they're not thinking about how they're catching themselves up, whether you're on social media or not. If you're seeing one thing on this document, but then you file taxes and the taxes say something totally different, you've just flagged yourself. And I don't think that people thought about it. They were thinking in the moment, I need this now. I want this now. I wanted to be able to do X, Y, and Z because during the pandemic, there was money coming in from everywhere. Like we had so much money coming in. And so people were just thinking about the right now moment and they didn't think about the long game. They didn't think about, okay, I took this money out. Let me align with my accountant because most of these people that didn't have businesses, their friends did their, they probably did their taxes that are not real tax professionals. They just do taxes. And so they're not doing their due diligence to make sure that, okay, I checked this box. I said I had a certain amount of employees. I said I made a certain amount of money to make it align. They didn't do that. And so it just puts us in a bad situation. So Yolanda, what were your thoughts?
Another thing, they have to use their brain. Okay. The IRS is going to check to see if you had like a business. They're going to check to see if you had a business in 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, and these subsequent years. These people didn't file taxes on that shell business in 21, 22, 23, and 24. They just forgot about the business. They just took the money, forgot about the business.